What's good, YouTube? Welcome to All of My Features. Today is May 5th, 7:12 a.m. 2026, of course. And we are here on a brand new challenge. 50K Lucid Flex, nothing new. Yeah, so we're just gonna get right into it. Okay. Got a lot of gibberish on charts here, but we're looking at micro gold. That's probably the only thing I'm gonna be trading from now on. Only gold, only New York session, one trade a day, one session, one pair, one band, one sound. You feel me? So what I'm thinking is we'll see what price does when we get to this 15-minute supply. See if we can get another reaction. We're breaking lows here, Rejected right here, but I don't know. We'll just see what happens when price gets back into the 15-minute supply area. See if we can maybe catch a sell. Depending on how price action moves, once it does tap into the zone, that'll kind of let me know if I want to go for 1-1 or 1-2. I'll probably just go for my 1-1 today. It's Tuesday, first day of the week. First trading day of the week. I might just go with a 1-1. Let's play it safe. Get some stripes on the board. Or we just go for it, nigga. It's the evaluation. Just go for it. I think I'm just gonna risk 300. I think that's just gonna be the risk values throughout this whole account, from challenge to funded. The only thing is, I always prefer to go aggressive on the challenge part. Like I low-key want to just risk 750 and just go for a 1-2. Like all this liquidity is just like getting ready, just waiting to get taken out. I feel like I can squeeze a 1-3 out of this, but do I want to risk 750? That's another question. Probably not. I'm not gonna lie. Probably max 500, probably 3 to 4, realistically, but max 5. Never risk more than $500. And we're gonna wait for a confirmation entry. We're not entering aggressive. Oh shit, I'm not even logged in. Well, let me go ahead and log in, and I'll be right back. Okie dokie. As you can see, 50K on the board. Alright, so what I did here is I kind of cut out a lot of BS and jumped right to the execution. So right now I'm just entering on a 50-minute supply zone, waiting for the break of the candle for my entry.
Order filled.
So I'm going for 1-2 on this. If we lose, I'm done for the day. If I win, I'm done for the day. Okay. Okay, so while we're, I guess, just waiting for this to play out, the thought process behind this was zoom out to the 4-hour time frame. Everybody looks at the market differently, but to me, it looks like we're still in a downtrend, right, on gold. So in the downtrend, hit this support right here, jump back up, bounce off this resistance twice. This is really like a double top over here. And we bounce back off of this support here, but it looks like we wick below. So So this could be a liquidity grab to go to the upside, to go maybe to break these highs, but I'm not looking at it like that, me personally. So I come down to the 1 hour and I see that there is a supply here. I mean, low probability on the 1 hour, but still a supply zone. So looking at the 15, it's a really clean, high probability supply right here. We broke out of this, built liquidity, sell side liquidity all the way up here. I just jumped in and I'm going for 1 or 2. This was a key level point of interest before, but I feel like this 15 minutes is gonna disrespect this. But of course anything can happen, but we'll just see. Let me clean up my charts a little bit. I mean, me personally, I don't think I'm asking for too much. This is a 1 or 2.8. It's crazy. Oh, yeah, full transparency. I risked, I think, a little over 400 on this trade. I mean, see. Okay, so I'm risking 480. So that's my risk right here. That's my risk to reward. I think I'm getting there. I think I'm getting to the point where I'm detaching myself from the loss. Because if I lose, you're gonna lose. It's part of the game. But I feel like, especially for this evaluation, I feel like my risk management was on point as well. I risked under $500, so that's perfectly fine with me. And if I lose, like I said, one and done. So I'm not gonna let my emotions get the best of me on this one. And just having that awareness, being able to stop for a second and even say it out loud helps. I mean, it should. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, but I would say give that a try. When you know you're about to lose, or you're going into drawdown like I am, just think, even if you lose, just be okay with it, because you know it's part of the game. Like, everybody loses at some point. Just don't spiral. So just be done. It's okay. Just say it out loud. This was probably just a bad read. Shit. Come back tomorrow. Tomorrow's what, Wednesday? Yeah, come back tomorrow. And I still feel like gold is going to sell off, but it's probably going to liquidate me first. It might come up here. I don't know what it's going to do. I'm going to stop trying to predict.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Damn. You gotta tell me that many times? Shit. Alright, that was trash. Yeah. So let's go ahead and take a look and I'm just gonna see what happens here, because that's why I don't like putting my stop loss above just these candles when I enter. I prefer to put them above like the high of the whole zone, but hindsight is always 20/20, right? The manual lockout. But yeah, man, so the first trade up of the challenge is a no. Of course, what do you know? So we're gonna come back tomorrow morning, same time, same dumbass pair, gold. Don't know why I chose gold, but something said just choose gold, just stick with it. And yeah, I think this part of the trading journey is going to be very transformative, just not financially, but character-wise. I can tell. I can tell. But I mean, that's all I have for now. I'm not doing anything else here. Hope y'all's trading day was better than mine. But man, catch y'all on the next one. Deuces.